Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing some more notebook junk journals that are about to be loaded to my Etsy shop. So let's get started. This is going to be under fall. I'm going to start with the smallest and work through to the largest. This one is fall, Thanksgiving. I would use it personally for fall, but Thanksgiving as well. This one is going to be listed under fall truck journal. The journal measures 4 3/4 by 6.5 inches. It is one signature. It is 36 pages front and back. It has tags, journaling cards, a sari silk, and it is a scrapbook cover. Let's get started. And there's the back. The back says, "Simply grateful for people like you and a holiday like this." If you want it to be for fall, all you have to do is cover up Happy Thanksgiving with Happy Fall or Autumn, whatever. Okay. And these are elephants, owls, and they are so adorable. Okay, you open it up, and in the inside here is a pocket, a top pocket, and two definitions. This one is harvest, harvest home, and harvest moon. This one is Thanksgiving Day. Like I said, that's a pocket, and this is a recipe for an apple crisp with cranberry compote. The pages are all fall themed. It says, "In the acorn lies the oak." Lots of journaling space. I added some fall pumpkin ribbons. So thankful for you. I made a pocket out of paper used for the cover. Pumpkin and spice. You get killer pumpkin pie recipe. And this really cool envelope. And I don't have any more of those. So enjoy that one. It's very cool. And sari silk. Vintage music paper, more writing room. It's all fall. This is a pocket. It says, "Take time to watch the leaves fall." And then you get a definition of autumn, journaling cards, and a tag with sari silk on it. So, very nice. This is some tissue paper, some more of the pretty fall paper with some grain and corn. And then this is a tuck spot, and you get a tag, a pumpkin pie little file folder, and a big tag with a napkin decoupaged on it on the back of a little weight tag. And then a doily, a pumpkin pie recipe on the page. On the back, you just get another journaling card, and this is a tuck spot at the top. This is give thanks. This is a fall card. You open it, lots of journaling space. This is a napkin decoupaged on the back of the page. Vintage paper, the other side of the napkin. This is a card cutout, and you flip it, and there's a tuck spot on the back with some more tags and journaling cards. And then this is a pocket. It says hoodies, hot chocolate, boots, blue jeans, crisp air, and it's fall. This is a burgundy flannel on top of a glassine bag right here, and it holds journaling card and a tag. So you get a lot of journaling cards, a lot of tags, a lot of space to write. You get orange fallish ribbon. This is a glassine bag that says fall in the air. Inside are two small envelopes. One is stamped, one is not. And this is a tuck spot right here. And then more paper. And then more tags at the back. And a jar. And "May blessings outnumber the autumn leaves." And more pages. And then you have a tuck spot and a flip out. Okay, that will be listed as a little blue truck under fall journals. This one will be listed as the Owl's Forest. This is actually a digital kit. If you'd like to purchase it in Ellsiebelsbookshelf on Etsy, I'll link our shop below. Okay, this one is made from an old, the cover is a brown file folder. This one measures 9 by 5 3/4. It has 68 pages front and back. It is one signature, and it is sewn in. On the front, this is a little notebook you make from a bag. So you have a tuck spot in the front. Then you have a bunch of pages you can make notes on. And then the back, like I said, it's a little brown bag. And then it's clipped shut with this kind of outdoorsy clip and a little envelope made from avocado dyed papers. And then this is just a little tag that has a little owl in it. And then this is a pocket with a bunch of owl ephemera sewn onto it. And like I said, this is a kit, Owl's Forest from Ellsiebelsbookshelf. I'll link it below. This is some of that avocado dyed paper. And it's also a guest check made into a pocket with some ephemera in it. You can journal on the back. That's a vintage dictionary page. Some more of the paper. And a bag with some journaling cards in it. You get lots of journaling cards in this one. This will be listed under Owl's Forest, another place where it flips out and you can journal. Lots of junk journal, lots of vintage paper used, lots of coffee dyed paper, coffee dyed bag, avocado dyed paper. This is a vintage paper. A lot of sewing in this one. A tuck spot made from a vintage doily. There are some labels, what do you call them? It's an envelope right there. Like I said, this one has 68 pages in it. Other side of the bag. Music. Lots of tuck spots, lots of pockets. This is a tree I made. It's got an owl sitting in it. A lot of journaling spots. This one folds out and you can write. So a lot of journaling spots, a lot of pockets. If you want to take this on a hike, it's got a big old wooden button in it, which I love. If you want to take it on a hike to record the owls you see or whatever you see, you know, up to you. And this one will be listed under Fall Journals as owl, and it does come with a twine closure. Okay, this is the largest. It is made from an actual journal, from a leather journal, so it's got a faux leather cover. It's all sewn in. And I used, in this one, it's 4 signatures. I used Majestic, Flight, and Mountain Glory from Ellsiebelsbookshelf. She's already linked below, so this is a notepad that if you are going for a hike and you just want to take something little with you, you could throw this in your pocket and, yeah, go for a hike. It's made from scrap paper, scrap paper and a bingo card. And the other side has some journaling cards. It's 4 signatures. And I'll just flip through them really quickly here. It's also got vintage papers in it. Pull it up so you can see. It's got sewing. It's got lots of ephemera. It's got dark stained coffee paper. And then this is a pocket. In the pocket, it's got a brochure about raptors from San Diego National History Museum and just a big fold out to write on. And it's a big pocket. If you get more information and you want to store it about, you know, birds of prey or whatever, this is a nice journal. It's really huge. It's for somebody that likes to hike, likes to record information, take pictures, write about your hikes. This journal is definitely for you. It's got 240 pages total. Vintage paper, bags, journaling cards, original papers. And then this is original paper, but I did add a pocket back here. This is some more tags, tuck spot, And then just the original papers. I do want to show you one thing. Where is it? The center of this? Right there. This is like a pocket, and it has bags for collecting samples if you want to, and cards for writing on samples. You could attach samples, whatever. And then the rest is just blank pages. You could use half of it as a journal and half of it as an art journal. So anyway, put this in here. So anyway, so this one is huge. It's 240 pages, 4 signatures. Has a real faux leather cover. They're sewn in. And it's listed under fall journals as leather cover. So thanks for being here. See you soon.